Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to showcase the best iWatch bands and bumper case. Keep watching the video to find out the iWatch band that suits your needs. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, please check the links in the description below. This is Urban Armor Gear Nylon Sporty Band compatible with Apple Watch 44 and 42mm. It is made with rPET materials to keep plastic water bottles out of landfills and our oceans. Custom recyclable stainless steel hardware for unparalleled strength and resistance to the elements. Nato inspired, multiple pass-throughs for added strap security. It fits all iWatch models from iWatch SE and Series 6 to 1. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Tefeca ultra-wide patterned elastic band. No bulk, no buckle, no snagging, and no scratching, comfortable lightweight band for all iWatch series. The 3D embroidery seamless sewing and breathable latex-free material makes sure there is no rubbing and irritation on your skin. It comes with customized unibody adapter, as wide as the Apple Watch, strong and durable, it will never break. It is perfect for workouts with breathable and stretchy, comfortable staying firm on your wrist during running or workout. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is EllaBeats band for Apple Watch Series 3. Made from high-end stainless steel metal for 42mm Apple Watch with protective case. The shock-resistant case matches exactly with all buttons of the iWatch 42mm Series 3. This stainless steel metal protective case is fixed by 4 screws, locks your iWatch firmly, and ultimate protection from bumps. The face of the case is stainless steel, and it comes with spare screws and all the tools you will need to size up the band. It is the perfect iWatch Series 42mm band with a protective case. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro designed for Apple Watch Series 6, SE, 5, and 4 with 44mm. All watch features, buttons, and sensitivity are accessible and easily operated with the case installed. It has UB Pro bumper that creates rugged shock absorption and a raised bezel to protect the screen from damage, and a double tongue buckle for a secure lock. The case includes a scratch-resistant and fully adjustable built-in watch band. Its advanced front cover snap-on design provides easy installation. It is a rugged protective case with strap bands for iWatch. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is HATALKIN special designed high-end stainless steel metal band with the bumper case for Apple Watch SE, 6, 5, and 4 with 44mm. It has a unique time-scale design that perfectly matches the strap, which makes your Apple Watch out of the ordinary. The case is fixed by 4 screws, which lock your 44mm Apple Watch firmly and ultimate protection from bumps. The shock-resistant Apple Watch's 44mm case match exactly all buttons of the iWatch. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is AhaStyle rugged band with bumper case for Apple iWatch All Series with 44 and 42mm. The case and band are all one piece, very easy to snap in or out, no need to remove when charging. It has raised bezel around the watch for drop protection, protects your investment, and is great for any outdoor activities. The precise cutouts enable easy access to all ports and buttons. All features work seamlessly, and snugly fit stays on under impact. Made from rugged TPU material with heat dissipation holes design on the band, keeps the wrist breathable and durable to use. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.